Hi there! This is Jodi from Glass with the Past, and I'm at Curious Mondo today to tell you about a super cool new class. I am so excited to be here and to tell you about this. We are going to learn about fused glass birds! Look at them! Aren't they amazing? So we're going to learn about fusing birds, about designing patterns, fusing birds. We'll be using recycled glass. We'll be using fusible art glass. We will talk about standoffs and hardware, adhesives, how to choose the right commercial standoff, but also how to make your own standoffs. Like, how cool is that? So we will also be planning installations and talking about how to choose the right anchors and what wall types work best. This is going to be such a fun class, not just because birds are super, super cool and fusing is also super cool, but because I think we'll be able to answer a whole bunch of questions that you might have and give you some confidence about putting your birds on a wall safely so they'll stay there for a really long time and look amazing. So, go. Sign up now, register, and I will see you in not very long to teach you all about fused glass birds.